Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about append method. So append method is used to add new element to the end of the list. For example, I define my age values, and then in my list the first one 25 and 35 and 45. So if I want to add 60, for example, to the end of the list, I just make age and then append. So inside the parentheses I just give 60. So if I want to print it, I just cut it and make it here. I just print my age list. So I run it and run 63. You see I added 60 to the end of the list. Super. For example, if I want to add list to this list, what will happen? I open square brackets and my second element is, and I run it. You see, if you use append method here to add another list, it will be added as a single element. It's just one element. So if you want to merge two lists, you should use extend method instead of append method. In append method, using append method, you can just add single element at the end of the list. Super. See you in the next lesson.